Consider the amount of money you could make by simply using a computer or mobile phone and hitting a few buttons, without any prior knowledge or experience. Imagine being able to do that every day for the rest of the time. That's quite fantastic, don't you think? You can make up to $200 every day with this. This approach is completely free and available to everyone. Please pay close attention to the 2 recommendations I'll be making in this video. You can't use this strategy to its full potential if you miss one of them. So be sure to pay attention and continue to watch. Now let's begin the video. Today, we will use the website Pydera.com to generate income online. I strongly advise watching this video first because I covered a lot of material here, including how to register for free bonuses, advice on how to generate more money quickly, and detailed instructions. Check out their homepage now. You can earn money with Pydera by completing surveys. There are no geographic constraints, you can quickly transform your time into money, and the payout is quick. You may anticipate receiving payment right away after signing up. The surveys can be finished on a computer or a mobile device, of course. This website is great since you can start cashing out your money right now, and get paid the following day after you reach the $5 minimum payout. You also have access to an infinite number of daily jobs, allowing you to make as much money as you want every day. As you can see, there are many tasks you may complete on Pydera.com to make money. On one website, you may sign up for different jobs, finish surveys, post videos, invite friends, write articles, and much more to make additional money. You can sign up right now and begin utilizing this tactic to earn money. Simply click the blue Create an Account button at the top of the page to register for a free account. After that, you'll be directed to this page where you may register for a free account and start earning money. To click, all you have to do is enter your name, username, email address, and password. Sign up and make an account for me. It's that easy. Once your account has been properly created, you may begin making money by answering surveys, downloading apps, carrying out tasks, inviting friends, uploading videos, and more. If you want to see more surveys, simply click the refresh button. You're probably thinking that these polls only cost 50 to 60 cents. You are free to repeat this as frequently as you desire every day. There are countless survey options. The biggest feature of this website is the ability to unlock surveys that pay out twice as much money after finishing the first 10 surveys. Since many of you are international, you are welcome to use the platform in any nation that accepts the chance. You can work as much as you like and get full access to everything on Pydera without any country limits. You'll earn more money the more services you offer. Before I forget, here's one more crucial bonus tip. Once you've finished all the surveys, you may keep going by just refreshing the website and waiting for new surveys to emerge. They'll show you their new service that you can use when you either keep checking them or receive a notification inside your account. The key in this situation is to just keep doing what I just demonstrated. That's it for today. Check and watch other videos if you enjoy this kind of material. Please click the like button, be sure to follow the channel, and press the notification bell. Please feel free to ask more questions in the comments section below.